welcome to 1661 Oak Street, apartment number 3. Come on in. So one of my favorite things about this apartment is that you have these huge rooms, high ceilings with the beautiful box ceiling. And then you have these large windows for lots of natural light. We are facing the back, so we're nice and quiet. You have trees to give you some extra privacy, but you're still get lots of light in here. So you have this huge kitchen, modern kitchen, brand new dishwasher, just installed last week. You have a gas range for all your cooking. And then you have this great dining area with a bay window to put your dining table in overlooking the garden. You even have a phone. And you have this huge walk-in closet.